Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear cache on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to open settings of your smartphone. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the app management or apps and click on app list and search your messenger. So I'm going to search your messenger. Oh, For this video, I'm going to search Instagram. Then you need to click on storage and cache, and here you can see the option of clear cache and clear storage in the bottom. So click on clear cache, and now you can see that my cache is cleared. If you want, you can clear the storage also by clicking on the next icon, clear storage. But for this video, I'm not want to clear my storage on Instagram. So by following these steps, you can easily clear cache on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.